And here we go. Mevis is ready, and he will send this one high. Drifting back, it'll be fielded by Stubbs in the end zone. Stubbs cuts up the middle, and he'll be brought down inside the 10-yard line. And it'll be a long field here for the Jacksonville Sharks on offense. Peyton takes a snap, hands off. He's dropped for a loss. Lorray Oladipo getting in there. It's 4th down. And that's not a good start. Handoff, Burgess cuts up, he's got space, lowers the shoulder again up to the 10-yard line. They'll mark him right at the 10.5. 2nd down and 1. And E.J. Burgess, he's rocking and rolling here early on in this first Blizzard drive.
Yeah, great blocking up front from that offensive line.
Myler, 3 receivers at the top of your screen. Snap, Myler, fake pitch out, look over the middle, pass caught, Ballard, touchdown! Green Bay Blizzard. And they're an extra point away from tying this one up early on in quarter number 1.
That is Harry Ballard's 12th touchdown of the year for the Blizzard. And he's been having a great year on the receiving end. Him and Myler have had a great connection all year long.
Back to receive for the Sharks, DJ Stubbs. Mevis sends this one way high, and Stubbs will field it right on the R of Blizzard. Stubbs gets leveled. Oh, goodness. Sean Steele collides with DJ Stubbs at the 6-yard line, and oh my.
Yeah, Joey, that's what you call laying the boomstick.
Receivers in forward motion. Snap to Peyton, drops back, 3-man rush. Pass over the middle, caught and leveled again by Sean Steele. DJ Stubbs comes back in the game, and Sean Steele is having none of it.
That just leaves you speechless. Wow.
Last one was blocked. What happens here? Snap down, kick up. I think that one was blocked, and it's going to be returned by Jalen Cagle. Cagle cuts back to the left. He's got a block up the middle. Now he's got space. Jalen Cagle from behind. Brought down at the 20-yard line. Almost got stripped. And that was very dangerously close to being knocked loose.
Yeah, very close. I think that was Smith. Yep, Smith behind Cagle, tracking him down. It was a great attempt at a strip.
The right guard.
Cagle, good ball security, able to hold on to it.
2.5 minutes to go here in quarter number 1. Handoff Burgess, and he's got space. He's going to lower his shoulder. Is he in? Yes, touchdown, Green Bay Blizzard. And they take the lead 13-7. Here with 2:15 now to go in the first quarter.
11th touchdown on the year for E.J. Burgess.
And he throws the touchdown ball up to his dad, Evan Sr., who again gave us the coin toss earlier today. Mevis trying to attempt the point after to make.
Cagle is back to return if this one is short.
Kick is well short and be fielded by Cagle just past the 5. Does he have the blockers? He might. Jalen Cagle cuts back, and he's brought down short of the 15-yard line, just past the 15 at the 14. 1st and 10 Green Bay early on here in quarter number 2.
It was a great return by Cagle, able to follow his blockers and able to find a seam.
Empty look. Snap, handoff to King out of motion, and he's brought down at the 5-yard line. Lorray Oladipo having himself a first half. And it looks like the offense is still going to stay out there on this 4th and 10. Here's the top of your screen. Ballard and Patron in forward motion. Fake handoff. Myler fakes out everyone again. He's got blockers. Is he into the end zone? Touchdown. Another rushing touchdown for Max Myler. And he loves that fake out. And he had big Colby Thomas behind him the whole way.
Yeah, if I'm Max Myler, I feel pretty safe if I'm following a man like Colby Thomas.
Three receivers at the bottom, one at the top. That's Harry Ballard. Ballard splits out to the left side, two in forward motion. Myler pump fakes, rolling out to the right. He's got someone wide open, and it's Cagle who comes away with it down inside the 10. He had two guys wide open in the campfire, and it's Jalen Cagle who snatches it right away from Lowell Patron, and we have hit the 1 minute warning. Ballard in motion, receivers in forward motion. Myler to the end zone, caught Patron, touchdown, Green Bay. Patron wide open in the back of the end zone. And now the Blizzard up by 13 with Mevis on to tack it up to 14. This opportunity here, 1st and 10 here for the Blizzard as a handoff to Burgess is still on his feet, no whistle. Burgess cuts up the right side, he's got the first down. Unbelievable play by E.J. Burgess. No whistle, no problem. Gets the first down up to the 15-yard line. Let's take a look at that one.
What a play to start this second half from E.J. Burgess. They always tell you to play until you hear that whistle.
For the third time today, fake handoff. Myler cuts back, looking for the end zone. He is in. Touchdown, Green Bay Blizzard. That's his second rushing touchdown of the day. And the Blizzard are up 20 early on here in quarter number 3.
Yeah, that was just an easy drive for the Green Bay Blizzard to start this second half.
Third quarter, Peyton out of the empty, sends the receivers in forward motion, takes a snap. Fakes the handoff, and Peyton is dropped in the backfield. Rafiq Abdul Wahid in the backfield. A loss of 1 or 2 on the play, and it's going to be second down and 12. Snap to Peyton, 3-man rush again. Pressure's on, he's hit, he's sacked. Abdul Wahid and Oladipo in the backfield. It is 4th and long, and it looks like the offense is going to stay out there at this point.
Yeah, and at this point for Jacksonville, you kind of have to keep your offense out on the field.
2 receivers in forward motion. Snap, fake handoff. Peyton runs into his own blockers and is sent back. Right into Sean Mustin, right off the bench.
Yeah, right on cue for Sean Mustin. Able to stick his nose in there and stop Peyton.
Sam Houston State. Myler takes a snap, pass caught over the middle. It's Patron still on his feet and finally dropped inside the 15-yard line.
Myler able to take his time and deliver a bullet to Patron for a big gain.
Situation here with a 3rd and medium. Snap to Myler. Pass caught, more, touchdown, Green Bay Blizzard. Demetrius Moore with his 8th touchdown reception of the season. And the Blizzard are back out in front by 3 scores, and Andrew Mevis on to attempt the point after. Frame of play. Snap to Peyton, pressure's on, he's hit, he's sacked. Sean Mustin getting back there. And Mustin and Abdul Wahid combine on the pressure. They give credit to Abdul Wahid making Peyton step up in the pocket right into the arms of Sean Mustin. 2nd down and 17. Receivers in forward motion. Snap to Peyton. Pressure off the edge again. Intercepted by Vi Rivers with one hand. Are you kidding me?
Oh my gosh. What a interception by Ravarius Rivers. I cannot believe it.
and he greets his mom in the front row. Are you kidding me, Ravarius Rivers?
If that isn't your defensive player of the year in the IFL, I don't know who is.
I am speechless. Sports Center top 10. You won't have to do too much searching tonight. There's your number one. Fake handoff to Cagle. Myler into the end zone. Caught. Moore. Touchdown. There's his second. The fourth for Myler. And the Blizzard are pouring it on here in the fourth quarter.
The Blizzard are showing no mercy to the Jacksonville Sharks as they just continue to dominate this football game.
And it's just going to be a squib. Field and no, rolls in the back of the end zone. This might be a Rouge point. Can he get out? He can! Steele tried to go with the hit stick, and
they want to show they're the top defense in the league.
And a botch snap. Loose, picked up by Mustin. Is he in? Yes! Touchdown, Green Bay! Probably one of the easiest touchdowns Sean Mustin could score. He just picked it up right in the end zone on a botch snap.
What a crazy play for the Blizzard. You see here on the replay, Sean Mustin is able to fall on that one, and he ends up in the end zone.
He pushes Justice Smith back. 5:30 to go in regulation. Snap to Myler, low snap. Pass caught by Demetrius Moore. He's left wide open up the left side. Still on his feet. He might have the first down. No, they'll mark him just an inch short.
Moore had plenty of room to run up that sideline. There was no Jacksonville players in sight of him.
Receivers in forward motion. Handoff. Cagle plows his way in. Touchdown, Blizzard. They had too many guys out there. And this one looks like it might be going for the deuce, but wide left. And caught by that young woman in the front row.
Ball went over the end wall in the air.
Perry takes a snap, takes a knee, and the Green Bay Blizzard are headed to the postseason. Final score, Green Bay 63, Jacksonville 35. The Blizzard moved to 10-2, and they will be playing postseason football for the first time since 2019.